All right, folks, we've got big news today in the drone world. There is a new player on the scene, and they are trying to rethink what drone flight means for creators and everyday users. They're called Antigravity, and they just officially launched today as a new drone brand incubated by Insta360. Now, this is exciting because they're launching with something totally new. It's the world's first 360-degree immersive drone. It's all packed into a lightweight, sub 249 gram drone that shoots 8K 360-degree video. Let's go ahead and take a look at the launch videos now.
It's easier to pretend, to keep our heads down, stay grounded, bury its call beneath routine, but it's always there. The faint current tugging at us. And every now and then, the signal rebels, tears free, and finds us, hits us with the weight of the stars, reminds us what we've always known. The future isn't forward, it's up. Gravity. We've been battling it since the beginning. It knocks us down. But every time, we rise. We crawl. We walk. We climb. We fly. From paper planes to pioneers, we defy the weight of the world. Turn boundaries into brilliance. As gravity presses us, we press back with purpose. Harder. Stronger. Higher. We weren't made to stay put. We were made to soar. Gravity may be given, but that doesn't mean we have to take it.
Okay, wow. Okay, interesting videos. There's a lot to unpack there. Saw some pretty cool drone footage, some immersive 360-degree shots. It's all very exciting. Now, Antigravity did fly me out to California for a press event where I got to meet the team, other creators. I got to experience the drone, fly it, get my hands on it. So I'm very excited to tell you more about that in August. So the launch is going to be next month for the product, at which point I'll be able to share more details and my thoughts with you on that. For now, we can only say so much. There's a new drone brand, Antigravity, incubated by Insta360, which is pretty exciting to see what the technology that they're going to bring to the table in the drone market will be. So what do you think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you excited? Is 360-degree drone footage something you're interested in? What would you do with it? I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Share those in the comments below. As always, we'll have more information on rcgroups.com. Until then, we'll be back next month for the product launch with more information, and we'll see you then.